If you can't fall asleep easily, this is the video for you. You're about to learn how to use progressive muscle relaxation to induce a relaxed feeling in your mind and body. As you go about your day-to-day activities, you're generating stress and tension throughout your whole body and especially in your face. You're looking at a screen, everything's tightening up and this is all contracted. It's not easy to fall asleep when everything is contracted and tense, so without any further ado, let's get to the technique. As you're laying in bed, we're going to start by contracting the lower leg by pointing our toe and squeezing the calf. Point the toe, squeeze the calf, breathe in for 5 seconds, and then relax and focus on that relaxation feeling surging through your body. Take a few breaths in between, and then we're going to contract the lower leg and the upper leg together by squeezing the quad, pointing the toes, contracting the hamstrings. Again, 5 seconds, hold, and then relax and release. We're going to move on to the right side, then the butt, the pelvis and hips, the abs, the low back, the chest, the upper back. Then we go into the forearm, upper arm and forearm, upper arm and forearm. Now the last section of the body that's the most important that you really want to focus on is the face. You want to scrunch it up as much as you can. Imagine a pug poodle. It's as scrunchy, as many wrinkles as you can get, 5 seconds contracting, relax and release that tension. Doing this cycle of progressive muscle relaxation by contracting and relaxing can take anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. The longer time you take, the easier your body comes into relaxing and deep meditation, and the sooner you'll be able to fall asleep. If you really want to improve your sleep quality, make sure to watch this video next.